Meanwhile, at 12 a.m. midnight, in the dungeon of the haunted house of Nelson, Rock Pelvis was rocking the house, ready for his big concert down in the dungeon of the haunted house of Nelson. 1, 2, 3, 4. Devil Ant rocks, Devil Ant rocks. Ho, hey, Devil Ant rocks, yeah. Hey, don't step on my fake black suede shoes. Oh, hey. See, they're holy because I got holes in them. Look at that. I got holes in my shoes. Look at it. Oh, hey, don't step on my fake black suede shoes, brother. Brothers and sisters, yeah. Ant creeps and the devil ant crawls. And he bites victims and jumps at victims. And he drinks their blood. And he guzzles Java and coffee. Yeah, and he eats a lot of hamburgers and eats a lot of hot dogs too. And eats a lot of pizza because he's a carnivore. Yeah, he's a meat eater. But he's also a vegetarian because he eats lots of vegetables. Ho, hey, Devil Ant rocks. And Devil Ant eats good. Yeah, and I'm funny because I'm Rock Pelvis. Yeah, and I'm the maybe cousin of David Rock Nelson. I'm the cousin you never knew. Ho, hey, I rock, Devil Ant rocks, and yeah, let's rock the house, yeah. Hey, I'm Rock Pelvis, hey, what's happening, baby? What's shaking, baby? Yeah, rock on. Okay, let's stomp our feet, everybody. Stomp. Yeah, check out those black fake suede shoes, yeah, aren't they cool? Yeah, I got these for free, yeah. Yeah, people give me stuff for free because they like my music, yeah. And Rock Pelvis did a tribute to his favorite horror host, Svengoolie, whom he watches every Saturday night on MeTV at 9 p.m. Central Time. Svengoolie rocks! Svengoolie rocks! Svengoolie rocks! Ho, hey, Svengoolie rocks! Yeah! Svengoolie rocks, baby! Hey, Svengoolie rocks! Watch him every Saturday at 9 p.m. Central and 10 p.m. Eastern Time on MeTV. And then Rock Pelvis got ready for his next number in tribute of his favorite pinup gal, Betty Page. Yeah, check out my Betty Page t-shirt. I got it free from fearless leader Mike Flores of the Psychotronic Film Society. Yeah, when he moved, he gave me this t-shirt for free. Betty Page lives, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Betty Page lives, Betty Page rocks. Ho, hey, Betty Page lives. Yeah, I used to date her. She's a hot babe. She had a nice body. Yeah, Yeah, I had a lot of good times with Betty. Yeah, Betty Page lives and Betty Page rocks, man. Yeah. Hey, check out my cool 1970s bell bottoms, man. Look it. I'm ready for the flood now. Yeah, I got those for free too. From my fans, because they love my music. Yeah, stomp your feet, everybody. Yeah, I got holes in my shoes, so they're holy. Because they got holes in them. Yeah, and I got holes in my socks too, man. Look at it, I got holes in my socks. Look at that. Look at that big hole, man. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, everybody, let's rock the house now. Yeah, let's wake up Detective Rock. So he finally wakes up and watches monster movies or goes hunt for monsters. Yeah. Let's wake up the cousin that never knew me, David Rock Nelson. The cousin I never knew I had. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Devil Ant rocks. Yeah. Okay, now Svengoolie rocks. Yeah. And Betty Page lives. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Devil Ant rocks. Yeah. Devil Ant rocks, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I got boom, wow, ho, hey, ho. Yeah, I got this fake guitar for only $1.29 at Trader Horns in Butler, Pennsylvania. Yeah, let's rock on. Let's rock the house. Let's rock on, baby. Come on, brothers and sisters. Let's all have a good time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, because I'm Rock Pelvis, brother. Yeah. Yeah, let's stomp our feet again. Yeah. Check out my fake